2016 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, air conditioning, front, cruise control, automatic stability control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.